Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will share you some amazing and stylish Woodslice centerpiece decoration ideas. So friends, let's start today's video. Today I am making a beautiful Easter centerpiece using Woodslice. First I place out a big slice in the middle of the table. Then I add smaller wood slice around it. Now I put a cute bunny on top. I also add small colorful eggs. Some green moss make it look fresh and natural. This decoration is simple, soft and perfect for Easter. It's make the table look warm and happy. I hope you like this idea. Try it at home and enjoy your Easter farmhouse style. I will show you a rustic Easter centerpiece. I use natural wood slice as the base. The wood gives warm and a cozy look. On top I add white candles. Then I place small Easter egg weavers around them. I also add flowers and green leaves. This design is simple but very beautiful. It is perfect for farmhouse style table, easy to make and friendly to elegant table decoration. Let's decorate for Easter. I start with layer wood slice. This gives high and now I add a glass jar with flower. Next I place Easter eggs around it. I add small bunnies, make it extra cute. The nature wood and soft colors like so peaceful. This centerpiece is perfect for family dinner, simple, pretty, and lovely for Easter day. I am making a low-cost Easter centerpiece. I use wood slice from all the tree branches. You can also buy them at a craft store. I paint some small eggs in colors, soft colors. Then I place them on the wood. I add fake grass and tiny bunnies that it's very easy, very affordable and very beautiful. And weavers, I am making a spring Easter centerpiece. First I place 3 wood slices in the center on the table. I put them in different sizes to create a layer. Now it's add greeny moss on top. Then I place small pastel eggs. I also yellow and pink flowers in the middle. In the middle, I place a cute bunny. In the middle, I place it cute bunny. This look like a small spring garden on the table. Soft, so fresh, so soft, perfect for Easter candle centerpiece. I will show you a warm Easter table ideas. I start with one large wood slice, then I put 3 white candles. And reverse around the candles. I add small eggs and green leaves. I add also little nest with tiny eggs. The wood and candles together look very cozy. This is perfect for Easter dinner night. Simple and beautiful pink and white theme. Decorate with soft colors. I use wood slice as the base. Then I add pink and white flowers. Next I place light pink Easter eggs around them. I also add a small white bunny. The color look lame and sweet. The centerpiece is perfect for a soft and elegant table. Easy to make and look expensive. kid-friendly decoration. I am making a furniture centerpiece. I place wood slice on the table. Then I add colorful eggs. I put a small basket in the center. Inside the basket, I place chocolates, egg. I also add a happy bunny figure. And this area is perfect if you have kids at home. It is bright, fun, and full of joy. Nature style. I am creating a nature Easter centerpiece. I use raw wood slice with bark edge. I keep the natural color. I add green plants and small white flowers. Then I place brown and cream eggs. The look is very simple and clean. It's feel close to nature, perfect for a rustic home decoration ideas. And weavers layer wooden tray. I am making a layer wood Easter centerpiece first. I place one big wood slice, then I add a smaller on top. Now I put a small glass vase with white flowers around it. I pastel eggs. I also add a tiny bunny in the front. The layer make the decoration look stylish and neat, very simple, very pretty, perfect for Easter. Soft pastel theme. Let's make a softer pastel Easter decoration. I use light wood slice for a nature base. Then I add baby pink, light blue, and soft yellow eggs. Now I